This is the music player application, and once you first open it, we'll just show you an ad. Just skip off that ads. Go. So once you open that, we'll just ask you some little questions to stop on the next option here, and press on the start now option here. We'll ask you allow access to your storage and so forth. Just tap on allow, and it will pretty much load up all the songs that are on your device. So you will pretty much find all the songs that are on your device that are music. So here you have a very few songs that I have on my device, and I can pretty much play any one of these. For example, if I do tap on any one of these songs here, as you can see, it easily loads up. You have this option over here with the two arrows circling each other. This is pretty much the shuffle option. That is the loop single, which pretty much only plays this song only. If I wanted to play the playlist per se, I just tap on the other option, which pretty much is loop all. So it will play all the songs in the playlist or all the songs that are on my device. Next to the next to the next. You already know the play button, which pretty much plays the song. Over here you have the three dots, which can add this song to my playlist or create a playlist right away. And I can also delete the song. At the top here, you may see a few lines at the top right side here. You can also select whichever song or adjust whichever song plays next. Here at the top, as I said before, this is pretty much at the what rate you want the song to be played. If you want a single song to be played, if you want a whole list to be played, or if you just want it to be random. The shuffle option is pretty much you letting it choose a random song for it to play. The loop option or the loop repeat is the single song only, and the loop all is pretty much playing all the songs on your device continuously. So whichever one you choose upon you can also tap on these three dots here to go in this option here, pretty much delete the song from your device and so forth. Nothing much. The library section here, you can go ahead and create your playlist option as well. If you want to add any song to your favorite, you can just tap on the song that you want, as you can see here, and then tap on the art icon there, and it will pretty much be added to the favorite list, which is over here. So nothing much for that feature, and the recently played is pretty much explains itself, and you can also create your playlist if you do want a playlist. So in the settings option here, nothing much, just the language. You can change the language from English and so forth. Nothing much for that. So very, very basic music application. Not a lot of ads, I would say. Very, very good. And if I've missed anything at all, just comment below. And don't forget to mention, pretty much can search for any song at the top once it's on your device. You can just go ahead and search for the song name and you'll be able to find it. So all I have to do is tap on the search icon at the top here and you'll be able to search whichever song on your device. If this song is recently downloaded on your device, you can tap on the purple icon at the top right side here. Pretty much scan for all the songs on your device. So very easy application to use, and if I miss anything at all, comment below and I'll see you guys in the next one.